This is an absolutely stunning fire pit, you guys. This is so awesome. It's heavy duty, but it's actually super like lightweight, which means it's really portable and easy to carry. Check this out, so good. It's got a huge big round basin here where you put the firewood in, and then some of the heat actually comes out of the sides here because it's got your airflow around there. It also comes with a little like grill here as well, so if you want to cook anything on it you can do that. Plus it's got the lid on top for protection right there. Super cute. Absolutely love this thing. Super easy to put together as well. Only takes about 5 minutes to put together. And yeah, it's just a really good, nice fire pit. Nice and compact, portable. Like I said, it's heavy duty. It looks stylish as well, so it's going to look great on any, like, you know, backyard deck and that kind of thing. So yeah, just a really great fire pit all in all. Highly recommend it. Go check it out.